American Dream TV. It's your host, Christian Penner, and we're here today on Worth Avenue, and we're going to talk with Shawn Elliott, the president of Nest Seekers International. Let's go check him out and see what he's up to. So, Shawn, tell me how you went from the fashion business to a luxury real estate agent.
So, you know, fashion and real estate, they're very similar, right? Clothes are beautiful, homes are beautiful, and I did 20 years. So if I had to tell you why, I just think it was the time. Retail is very intense, a lot of inventory involved, what have you. There's a lot of inventory in real estate, but you get the privilege of selling it, right? And if you put two people together, you earn a commission.
So Shawn, tell me, how do you get an $80 million listing in same parts?
So first, you got to get a television show. And I was blessed to get this TV show in the UK called The World's Most Luxurious. I get an email saying, are you the guy from the real estate show? Wow. And I said, yes. And she said, well, we've got multiple properties we'd like to sell, Isle of Man, London, south of France, and St. Bart's. Wow. And I'm like, this can't be for real. So I Google the person and I find out their net worth is north of $5 billion. Wow. So I'm like, okay, this is real. So I called them back and I go, hey, how are you? I am the guy from the TV show and I would love to represent you in the sale of all your properties. The first one we listed was St. Bart's. It's the single most beautiful home on the history of the island. $80 million. I'll let you in on the secret. We had Jay-Z and Beyonce there. It did make the news for 10 days, Christmas through New Year's, and they paid us $600,000. Wow.
Hey, Shawn, thanks for taking the time to spend with us today. Appreciate you being here today. We'll catch you next time on The American Dream.
All right, you got it.
With so many people asking me, what is going on with the real estate market and mortgage interest rates, I thought to bring on the show none other than the one and only Barry Habib. He is a 3-time Crystal Ball Award winner for accurately forecasting the real estate market. So tell us, Barry, what is going on in the market today?
Well, I'm very optimistic about both of those markets because mortgage rates, first of all, they follow inflation. We see inflation on the way down. And especially now that some of the costs in inflation, almost 40% of core CPI, Consumer Price Index, which is a big inflation reading, is weighted by shelter costs. That's the cost of rent and the cost of owner's equivalent rent. Another thing that we're seeing that's very important is affordability. Now, I know people are paying more for food, gasoline, and services, along with higher rates and higher housing costs, but you know their incomes are going up. According to ADP, incomes went up 7.3% last year, and what that does is over time, it eliminates that mismatch in affordability.
And one thing you had said in the past was there was a correlation between the 10-year and the mortgage-backed securities, about 175 to 200 basis points apiece. Right now, it's about 300 basis points apiece. Why do you think that's happening?
Well, that's a great question and a great point you bring up. The reason for the spread moving up to 300 basis points, it's come back down to about 2.6% or 260 basis points, is because part of a mortgage's value is servicing value. Servicing value depends on how long that mortgage will be kept and not refinanced or sold. So what this blowout in spreads means is good news because the market, the smartest money out there, believes rates are coming down, and that's very good news for real estate.
So Barry, that's why you're the 3-time Crystal Ball Award winner. So thanks for sharing your knowledge with us today and your expertise. I really appreciate you, man.
Thank you, Christian. Right. Thank you.